In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix security policy prevents use of camera on Samsung. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So basically, you can do this on literally any Samsung that you have. It doesn't really matter which one. But anyways, this error on your Samsung device is usually a software restriction rather than a hardware failure, and it's often caused by administrative apps, sensors being disabled, or corrupted system cache. So the most common cause is a hidden developer toggle that kills all sensors, including the camera, for privacy. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel, and look for a tile labeled sensors off. Then what you want to do, if it's blue, tap it to turn it off. And then if it's on, tap it and make sure it's off. If you don't see the tile, what you want to do is tap the pencil icon right there. Then go ahead and press edit like so. And then if you just want to go ahead and find the sensors option. The next thing that you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find apps, which is going to be towards the bottom of your screen. Then go ahead and find and tap on camera. So obviously it's going to be on C. Go ahead and click on camera. Then scroll down, and then what we want to do is just find permissions right here. It's going to be right under notifications, and ensure the camera is set to allow only while using the application. So we're going to go over to that right now, and you want to make sure it's on that and it's not on ask every time, or don't allow as well. Then go back to the camera app info page. So we're going to go back right now, then go ahead and tap storage like so. And then what we want to go ahead and do is just clear the cache and clear the data as well. And this resets the camera to factory defaults without deleting any of your photos. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.